Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Senmiao Tech, and this is the weekly chart for that particular stock. So first of all, what you can see is a chart with limited amount of data. So just understand one thing, that we are going to discuss about the chart as long as this data available. So what I mean to say is that we know that the data on the upside is available from $9 on the upside to $0.2 on the downside. So our observation or analysis will strictly be restricted inside this range, because unless the stock moves beyond the range, we do not have the foresight to analyze the trend, first of all. And secondly, the data limitation is simply restricted us to do these kind of things. Now, having said that, what we can do here is that first of all, just observe and understand this trend, that you have a previous trend which was like this. Okay, so this is your previous trend. So the stock has been in a range of $3 to $9 from lower to higher side in the year 2018 and in the first half of 2019 as well. So what you can see here, that you have the big resistance at $9, or the target at $9, and you have your support at $3 on the downside. But what happened afterwards, that after the second half of 2019, the previous trend broke and the stock indeed fall down beyond a certain level. And as you can see here, that it has indeed made a new range below that level. So we are going to discuss about that, as well as the move which you can see on your screen. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now first understand this current trend. So you have your first support at 0.3, or better you can consider this level as your first support. Again, this one. So you have your first support at 9.91, then you have your support at 0.37. Simultaneously, you have your next support at 0.33, and finally you have your big support at 0.26. So below 0.26, one should not carry any position, as simple as that, because we don't know how far it will go if it falls or closes below 0.26. Now on the upside, you have your first target at $1.71, and if it sustain above that, then you have 3.1, and simultaneously you have $3.8 will be your next big target or resistance. Now it is very important to make this bounce back a sustainable one. The stock must sustain or makes a breakout or sustain above 3.8 $3.9, because this is the range which is the gateway for the stock to again move back to its previous high, which is in between 7.6 to $9 on the upside. So if the stock unable to sustain above 3.8, let's say it moves toward 3.8 and again falls back, then it will be a trading bounce and nothing else, and it will again falls down. Anyhow, if it reaches till $9 as well, it will still be considered as a rebound and not the start of a fresh trend, unless the stock makes a breakout above $9 or $10 and sustain over there. So that is the exclusive highlight of this chart. But yes, for the chart to rise till $9, the first criteria is it needs to sustain above 3.8, 3.9, or probably you can call it $4. Now there is one more level which you need to look at. So after 3.8 you have 5.6, then you have 7.6, then you have $9. So I forgot to mention this as well because this is also a very important level. So as you can see, you have lots of support and resistance level which you need to look at, and furthermore this is simply a trading bounce, so look at it in the same way unless the stock moves above $9. Okay, till then it's just a trading bounce. The problem will be the sustainability of the trend. Okay, it is good to see that the stock is making lows and it is trying to make a base at the lower level, but on the upper side it's very hard to see any sustainability for the time being. So let the stock decide. So if you are getting uh, your levels on the upside, obviously what you need to do, you need to book your profits without expecting much. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.